Hey guys, welcome back to JK Artworks and I am JK. Today we are going to create some awesome illusion drawings that you can create very easily at your home. You don't even need any expensive supplies for that. So, let's begin and create together. Okay, so let's begin with drawing a circle. Divide your circle in 8 equal parts. After you are done, start outlining it with a marker. From the border, at an angle, draw a line and create a triangle in a triangle in a triangle in a triangle. Confused? Don't worry. Just see me and then do it. Now the next step is to shade around each of the line you created for a triangle. Remember, shade outside the line of triangle instead of shading it from inside. And we are done. Let's move on to the second one. For this, take a marker and draw a random line. Form a cross with the help of a second line. Now start creating curves from one side of the line and then from the second side join those curves into a circle or oval shape. Now start forming bigger and smaller curves outside and inside the curves you have already made. Follow the directions of the line you have already made in the beginning. After we are over with this, our next step is to shade. and create a depth. Shade from the borders, keep the centers lightest. Blend out the visible pencil lines. It's ready! Now for the third one, we'll again make a circle. You can make it with pencil or directly with the marker. Divide it into smaller parts. Start creating curves inside each cone of the circle. Add a circle in the center to create some depth. Check that your paper does not bleed. Now the next step is shading. Same way, shade around the borders, leaving the center lightest. Blend, blend, blend. And it's ready. And for the next one, again, we need a circle. Using a scale, mark some points at the gap of 1 centimeter on both the adjacent sides of the square. Form a grid using these points. Remember to leave the circle blank. We are not going to create any lines inside the circle. Draw a horizontal and a vertical line in the circle. Now mark points at 1 centimeter in both the lines. Make curves from the border passing through the points. Now using a marker, form a checkbox pattern. Create the same pattern inside the circle. You can use a brush pen to help you with fine details and filling in color. Next part is shading. Use a pencil to shade darker at the border and lightest as you move in center. Blending time. Use any white crayon, pastel, chalk, pencil, anything and shade around the circle. This will give our circle a bounce and it will look more realistic. Blend it and add more color and then again blend it till the time you are satisfied. We created it only with a brush pen, a marker, a pencil, a scale, a crayon and a blending tool. Nothing much, you can use them and create your own artwork that looks very real. Let's have a replay of what we did today. For more fun with art and creativity, subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the notification bell so that you always get updated whenever I post a new video. And yeah, if you want to get updated even sooner, then follow me on Instagram. I regularly post my artwork there. We will meet again in next video. Till the time, take care and bye bye.